I tried making money with ChatGPT for a week and the results surprised me. This is not a tutorial or a scam pitch. It is a real experiment with real numbers. I started with only an idea and 0 ads. My goal was simple: make at least $1 a day. I wanted to test speed, ethics, and real demand. I used ChatGPT as my teammate, not a magic box. I will tell you what worked and what failed hard. Stay to the end for one hack that doubled my final day. Let's get into day 1 and act like we have nothing to lose. I started by listing quick ideas with ChatGPT. I asked for low-skill gigs and simple products. The AI gave me a list in less than a minute. I picked 3 things to try today. First, a Fiverr gig rewriting LinkedIn summaries. Second, a tiny ebook of budgeting tips. Third, a micro consulting message on Reddit. I set small goals for each one. I wanted instant feedback, not perfection. Then I spent the afternoon building the pieces. I opened Fiverr and wrote a clear gig title. I used ChatGPT to craft the description in friendly language. I kept the price low to attract first buyers. I added sample before and after summaries. I used AI to generate those samples fast. Then I uploaded a simple thumbnail I made. I set delivery time to 2 days to be realistic. I hit publish and felt oddly nervous. I checked the page every 10 minutes. No orders came that day, but I learned fast. For the ebook, I asked ChatGPT for an outline. The outline had 10 micro lessons on saving. I turned each lesson into a short page. I used plain language and real examples. I kept each page under 200 words. Then I combined pages into a PDF. I used a cheap cover template and exported it. I listed it on Gumroad as a $4 product. I hoped volume would beat price that day. I also prepared a quick promotional tweet. I posted an offer in a few finance subreddits. The post promised a 1-message mini consult for $5. I used ChatGPT to draft a helpful canned reply. The reply had a checklist and next steps. I set expectations clearly and kept it honest. A few users messaged back with questions. 1 lead paid and I delivered within an hour. It felt rewarding and a bit awkward at first. Payment was small, but real and motivating. Day 1 ended with $10 in hand. I woke up with momentum and $10 earned. I asked ChatGPT to analyze my listings. The AI suggested clearer benefits and social proof. I revised the Fiverr description like it said. I updated the Gumroad blurb to emphasize speed. I posted a short clip to TikTok showing the PDF. I used the same script the AI suggested. Views trickled in, but no sales yet. I doubled down on outreach and comments. By noon, 1 more Fiverr order arrived. That Fiverr order turned into a 5-star review. The buyer left detailed praise and a small tip. Reviews changed the tone of my listings. ChatGPT suggested I add the review to the gig. I used the review as social proof across platforms. Traffic to the Gumroad link grew a little. A friend shared my tweet and it reached strangers. The tiny snowball effect felt real and fast. I learned social proof is cheap and powerful. I also learned speed matters more than polish early on. I experimented with different prompts to speed work. I wrote templates for LinkedIn summaries. I tested a direct, friendly voice versus a formal tone. The friendly voice got better reactions from test clients. I tweaked the prompts to ask for specifics. That made the outputs more usable with less editing. I packaged 3 templates as an upsell on Fiverr. 1 buyer chose the upsell and paid extra. I felt smarter for building systems, not one-offs. Systems turned my time into repeatable dollars. Mid-week, my PDF upload glitched and the page crashed. I panicked for 10 minutes and then stayed calm. I messaged Gumroad support and kept working elsewhere. In the meantime, I used ChatGPT to create an email apology and offer. That email calmed customers and kept trust intact. 1 buyer replied with appreciation for the quick fix. I learned communication reduces friction fast. I also learned to keep backups for digital products. This small crisis cost time, but taught resilience. I ended the day with new ideas and $38 total. I decided to try content with an affiliate angle. I used ChatGPT to write a short review script for a budgeting app. I made a simple video with AI voice and stock clips. I added a tracked affiliate link in the description. I posted the video to YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. Views appeared, but clicks were minimal at first. ChatGPT suggested tweaking the CTA to highlight a bonus. I updated the description and pinned a comment with the bonus. A few clicks turned into 1 affiliate sign-up that afternoon. I earned a small commission and learned tracking matters. I pitched local tutors and creators for quick gigs. I used ChatGPT to draft short, cold emails. I personalized each draft with a real detail. Many ignored the pitch, but a couple replied. 1 tutor hired me to write a course outline. I delivered the outline plus a short promo blurb. The tutor paid more than my Fiverr gigs. This felt like stepping up from micro gigs. I realized small B2B jobs pay better per hour. I began to shift energy toward repeat clients. Halfway through the week, I paused to review numbers. I totaled sales, tips, and commissions so far. The math was messy but encouraging. I asked ChatGPT to summarize the wins and losses. The AI gave a clean list and suggested priorities. I prioritized building a small, repeatable service. I cut time-consuming one-offs from my plan. I felt clearer and more focused for the remaining days. Momentum combined with a few smart choices felt powerful. I set a new daily earnings target to push myself. I started wondering what would happen if I scaled the best gig. Could I get 5 clients a day with better systems? What if I automated replies and onboarding? I asked ChatGPT to simulate a scaling plan step by step. It suggested hiring a part-time editor and using templated messages. That sounded reasonable, but it added costs to the model. I ran numbers and saw profit still possible at volume. Scaling meant trading time for systems and small hires. I felt both excited and cautious at the same time, so I decided to test a mini-scale for the last 2 days. I hired a cheap editor on Upwork to speed delivery. I gave them templates and clear instructions I made with ChatGPT. Turnaround improved from 2 days to 12 hours. I could handle more orders with help. I paid the editor from sales and kept the margin. Clients noticed faster delivery and left good reviews. The system felt sustainable for small volume. I still edited final drafts to maintain quality. Automation plus a human in the loop became my sweet spot. Earnings jumped, and so did confidence. Late that day, one client asked for a refund. They said the tone wasn't right for their profile. I apologized and offered a rewrite plus a partial refund. ChatGPT helped me draft a sincere message fast. The client accepted the rewrite and kept half the payment. I learned clear, brief gathering prevents this issue. I added a short intake form to collect tone details. That change reduced future tone mismatches immediately. Small process fixes saved time and money. I closed day 6 with gratitude and new systems. On the last day, I focused all energy on the best revenue stream. I optimized the gig, the outreach template, and the onboarding. I scheduled posts and replies ahead of time. I used ChatGPT to batch create deliverables faster. My editor handled formatting while I reviewed. Orders came in steady and I stayed sharp. A small affiliate commission also landed from the review video. By evening, I hit my highest single-day earnings. The week ended with a satisfying total that beat my initial goal. I closed the experiment with real profit and real lessons. Now I asked myself a bigger question. Could this become a reliable side hustle? Would clients repeat monthly? Or was this a one-off spike? What would it take to hit $1,000 a month consistently? I ran a projection with ChatGPT using conservative estimates. The model showed cash flow possible with 5 steady clients. It also highlighted risks like churn and quality control. I realized I needed clearer contracts and a refund policy. I sketched a basic onboarding funnel to reduce churn. The plan felt doable, but required discipline and a tiny budget. This thought changed how I viewed the whole week. I compiled the week numbers into a simple table for myself. Total active days were 7, and I tracked orders and commissions. I ended up with $45 from gigs and $30 from affiliates. Tips and small refunds adjusted net to $68. I paid the editor $20, and platform fees took $10. My net profit for the week was $38. Yes, the margin is slim, but the proof of concept exists. Scaling and better funnels could improve margins quickly. The math showed effort, not magic, created income. Numbers also highlighted where time was wasted and where it paid. Using AI raised a few ethical knots I had to untie. I wondered where credit belonged for creative work. I told buyers I used AI for drafts and that honesty mattered. Most clients cared about results more than the tool. Some clients asked for human-only work, and I respected that. I added transparency to my gig pages quickly. ChatGPT suggested wording that felt honest and professional. This honesty reduced later disputes and improved trust. I learned reputation is the best long-term asset here. Ethics and hustle can coexist if you set clear rules. I posted a recap video and watched the comments closely. Did viewers think the experiment felt authentic? Were they worried about AI taking jobs or excited about tools? The comment section was a mix of both reactions. Some said the tips were useful and simple to copy. Others argued AI should be credited more clearly. A few viewers suggested better pricing strategies. I used those suggestions to tweak my listings the next day. Community feedback became a free focus group for errors. Listening to viewers improved the product faster than guesswork. Tip 1. Automate simple decisions like transfers and templates. Tip 2. Always collect a short intake to prevent rewrites. Tip 3. Use social proof quickly to build trust. Tip 4. Hire cheap help to scale delivery, not quality. Tip 5. Be transparent about using AI and set expectations. Each tip came from a small failure I had during the week. They are low-cost changes with high impact. Any beginner can implement these in a few hours. I applied one tip each day and saw steady improvement. These tips feel like the core playbook for a micro AI side hustle. I kept a short library of prompts that cut my work in half. One prompt created 5 LinkedIn summary variations at once. Another prompt drafted outreach emails tailored to each niche. I also used quick editing prompts to clean tone and length. A tiny checklist prompt helped prevent common client issues. I stored these prompts in a single doc for reuse. ChatGPT was most useful when I asked for structure and examples. The right prompt saved hours of guesswork and rewrites. Invest time in building prompts and you will save more time later. Prompt engineering felt like the multiplier for my week. My biggest failure was trying too many different offers at once. That scattered my time and diluted quality. The fix was to pick one winner and double down fast. Another failure was weak intake questions for clients. This caused tone mismatches and small refunds. Adding a 2-minute intake form solved the issue. I also failed at tracking affiliate clicks properly at first. I added UTM tags and saw where traffic came from. Mistakes became the fastest path to better systems. Failures felt costly but also highly instructive. Working a week straight on hustle tasks felt mentally heavy. I had to guard against decision fatigue and over-editing. Short breaks and checklists kept my focus sharp. Saying no to shiny new ideas saved time and energy. I also scheduled quick walks to reset between batches. The pressure to reply quickly sometimes led to sloppy work. I built small rituals to maintain quality under pace. A calm tone in messages prevented reactive mistakes. Protecting mental energy felt as important as finding clients. Long-term hustle requires sustainable habits, not sprinting. Looking forward, I sketched 3 clear paths to scale. Path 1, more clients with a small team handling delivery. Path 2, productize the service into a recurring subscription. Path 3, build a content engine to drive steady leads. Each path requires initial time or a small budget. I liked the subscription idea for predictable cash flow. The team path felt faster but needed management skills. Content demanded patience but could reduce acquisition costs. I will probably mix elements of all 3 over time. Choosing one path now is the key to momentum next month. After 7 intense days, I proved a simple point. ChatGPT can help generate income quickly when used wisely. It is not a replacement for human judgment or ethics. Small systems beat flashy hacks over time. Focus, transparency, and quick fixes were my winning combo. Net profit was modest, but the model scaled with simple changes. The week taught me more than any online course did. If you try this, start small, track everything, and be honest. The biggest asset you build is a repeatable system, not a one-off sale. That is the key takeaway I want you to remember from this experiment. Thanks for watching this week-long experiment with me. If you found even one tip useful, do me a favor and subscribe.